Hello friends, in this video today we will discuss some more IPM important questions. Okay, so the question is that a frog has at the bottom of a well 10 feet deep. He can jump 3 feet, but every time he jumps 3 feet and he falls back 2 feet. How many jumps will he has to make to get out of the well? Okay, so we'll see how many jumps he has to make to get out of the well. This is the well and this is 10 feet deep. According to the question, this is 10 feet deep. As the frog in every jumps 3 feet. Okay, jumps 3 feet and falls back 2 feet. So in one jump, the overall distance it covers is, what is the distance covered? 1 feet, because of in every jump he jumps 3 feet and falls back 2 feet. So what is the overall distance it covered in one jump? That is 1 feet. So now we have to find out how many jumps he has to make to get out of the well. So in first jump, it covers 1 feet. Next, second jump, it covers 1 more feet. In this way it covers, okay, first jump 1 feet. This is the distance 1 feet. And in second jump, another 1 feet. In this way, it jumps. So till the seventh jump, it covers 7 feet. Am I right? It covers 7 feet. So, but in the last jump, it get out of the well. Okay, it never falls down. This is the logic. In the last jump, it get out of the well and never jumps back. That 2 feet never falls back. Okay, this is the logic. So in the last jump, in the 8th jump, it covers 7th jump, it covers 7 feet. So in the 8th jump, it must be covers 10 feet distance. Okay, as in the last jump, he never falls back 2 feet. So the total number of jumps, is equal to 8 feet. Okay. Now we will solve one more question. The question is that a ring is constructed using a pattern of alternating regular pentagon and square of side of equal length as shown in the figure. How many pentagon will be there in the completed ring? Okay, this is the question. So as here regular square and pentagon are arranged in alternating way. So if we arrange one square, next we will fix one pentagon, and the length are equal. The length of side is equal, so it is merged in this way. So what we have to find out? How many pentagon will be there in this complete ring? We have to make this in a ring size. Okay. So how will solve this? Let's see. So as here one square, after that one pentagon is there. Just we are taking here one side of this pentagon and I am extending the side. Okay. Then this is the external angle of this irregular pentagon and this is the external angle of this square. Okay. So here how can you find out this angle? As in the pentagon number of sides are 5. So the external angle of pentagon, the external angle of the pentagon is equal to, you know this formula, 360 degree divided by n. This formula is this. So here n is equal to what? As it is a pentagon, so there are 5 sides. So the external angle must be equal to 360 by 5. That is equal to 72 degree. Similarly, we have to find out the external angle of the square. So the external angle of the square is equal to 360 divided by 4 is equal to 90 degree. So now you just look at this diagram. So if we add this external angle of the pentagon and the external angle of this square, then this total angle is one internal angle of this complete ring. This is one internal angle of this complete ring. So what is the internal angle of this complete ring? So the internal angle of the ring is equal to 90 degree plus 72 degree, that is equal to 162 degree. Okay. So as we got one internal angle of this complete ring, we can find out the external angle of this ring. So the external angle of the ring is equal to 180 degree minus 162 degree. That is equal to 18 degree. This is the external angle of the ring. But we have to find out how many pentagons are there in this complete ring. So now we can find out the number of sides of this ring. So number of sides of the ring is equal to 360 degree divided by 18 degree. As you know this formula, as I already discussed, that the external angle of the pentagon is equal to 360 by n, where n is the number of sides. So if we have to find out the number of sides, then what we have to do? We have to divide 360 degree divided by the external angle. Just the same formula I applied here also. So the number of sides is equal to 20. Okay. As here the number of sides equal to 20, and you know already that the square and pentagon are already arranged in alternating way. So how many pentagons are there? That must be equal to, so number of pentagons is equal to 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So there are 10 pentagons are there in this complete ring. Okay. Thanks for watching.